Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be making a new compost bin out of some mostly scrap wood that I have laying around, as well as some plastic roofing. I chose this design because I was sick of all the maintenance that went into the plain wood compost bins that I've used in the past. So I've taken a few aspects from that and upgraded it with the plastic so that the inside is pretty rot free and should last much longer than normal. Let's see how I did it. Now that it's actually looking like a compost bin, I want to continue down the track and put a front on so that the compost doesn't roll out of the front. So to do that, I'm going to come up with this little piece of aluminum channel that I have. I'm going to cut it in half so I can put half on each side, and then I can just drop in another one of those roof panels as a front. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. There could be a few improvements, but I like the simplicity of it. And I just go back in here and drill some pilot holes, as I'm going to put those screws right through. And I'm drilling from the back so there's no burrs on the side that faces in. Then I'm just going to come back in with some of those exterior screws and fasten it permanently to those posts. I'm very happy how this project turned out. It was a much needed upgrade from the existing one that I had that constantly rotted, and I had to replace panels every few months. As always, I thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you.